रावता तू केन्नाच मागना. स्टार्ट करू. तुमकां सगळ्यांक ह्या पत्रकार परिशदेक स्वागत करता. आमचे बरोबर आसा आमचे स्पोक्समॅन आर्किटेक्ट तुल्यो, आमचे डिस्ट्रिक्टाचे वायस प्रेसिडेंट बाब निलेश कोम्स. ह्या वर्साचे म्हजे पयलेच पत्रकार परिशद, सो तुमकां सगळ्यांक नव्या वर्साची परबी. आयचो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स हो दोन भागांत जातलो आनी तेजे नंतर तुमच्या प्रश्नाक उत्तर दिवप. सद्याक गोंयभर जे वेगळे वेगळे एंटी गोवा, एंटी गोवन्स, एंटी फार्मर्स जे प्रोजेक्ट गोंयच्या लोकांचेर लादले वयतात आनी ताका गोंयच्या लोकांचो विरोध जाता आनी त्या विरोधाक गोवा गव्हर्मेंट डेमोक्रेटीक जी नॉर्म्स आसात आनी चर्चा डिस्कशन तेंचे कडेन उलोवणी करून हे प्रश्न सुटावे करपाचे आसात, जी आमच्या देशांतली एक परंपरा आसा, त्याच्या विरुद्ध वचून पुलीस मशिनरीचो वापर करपाचे षडयंत्र हो सरकार गोंयच्या लोकांच्या विरुद्ध करीत आसा आनी हो सरकार सामको इनसेन्सिटीव जाल्लो आसा. द एंटायर गोवा इज डिस्टर्ब्ड. गोंयचो लोक सद्याक डिस्टर्ब जाल्लो आसा. ज्या तरेन शेर मेळावली सो जे प्रकरण आसा, सरकार जमीन इल्लिगली हडप करपाक सोदता आनी थंय लोक प्रोटेस्ट करतात, आपलो अधिकार सांबाळून दवरपाचो प्रयत्न करतात, न्याय मागपाक सोदतात आनी सरकार तेंचेर पुलीस वापरून तेंचेर अत्याचार करता. फार्मर्स, मूळ गोंयकार, एक्टिविस्ट, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे लिडर्स हांचेर वेगळी सेक्शन्स यूज करून तांकां भिवपाचे प्रयत्न करतात. ह्युमन रायट्स वायोलेशन्स क्लियरली चालू आसात. पुलीस इज टेकिंग लॉ इनटू देअर हँड्स. एक्चुअली नॉर्मली इट इज अदरवायज. जे एक्टिविस्ट जे हें करतात ते कायदो हातीन घेतात म्हणटा. हांगा गोंयांत सद्या पुलीस कायदो हातीन घेतात म्हणजे इल्लिगली वचून आनी गव्हर्मेंट बळजबरी करता जमीन हडप करपाची लोकांची. सो हे सगळें पळयलें जाल्यार गोंयचो लोक डिस्टर्ब आसा आनी पुलीस इज टेकिंग लॉ इनटू हँड्स बाय एनक्रोचिंग इनटू ज्युडिशरी. कोणाकूय पनीश करपाचें काम हें पुलिसांचें न्ही, तें कोर्टाचें, तें ज्युडिशरीचें. शैलेंद्र वेलिंगकर जो एक एक्टिविस्ट आसा, तेजी आयडियोलॉजी खंयची आसा कितें त्या हितून प्रकरणाक हांव वचना, पूण तो एक गोंयचो सुपुत्र, तो गोंयचो एक एक्टिविस्ट आनी तो शेळ मेळावली जंय लोकांचेर अन्याय जाला तांकां न्याय दिवपाक तो थंय वयता आनी तेजे अधिकारान आसता. त्या भुरग्याक तेजेर वेगळी सेक्शन्स तुमी यूज करतात, ताका अरेस्ट करतात, 3rd डिग्री तेजेर यूज करतात आनी ताका तुमी मारतात. म्हणजे ऑफिशियल लेवल पुलीस जे आसात ते ताका मारतात आनी असो मारतात की तेजे कानाचो पड्डो त्याच्या मेंदवाक सुद्दां त्रास जाल्यार खबर ना, तो उबो रावपाक शकना, त्याचो बॉडीचो बॅलन्स गेला. आनीक जेन्ना गोंयच्या कोर्टान ताका प्रोड्यूस करतात तेन्ना गोंयच्या ज्युडिशरीचे हांव धन्यवाद दिता म्हणटा. ह्या एक जेन्ना लोकांचो होप वयता तेन्ना एक वेगळोसो खंयच्यान तरी होप येता. आनीक जजान ताका पुलिसां कडेन हँडओवर कस्टडी दिवपाक रिफ्यूज केली आनी ताका ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी दिली. हातूंतल्यान कळटा की तेजेर कितलो कसो मारपीट जाला, तेजेर कसो अन्याय जाला. इट इज एन एक्चुअली अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर. ह्या पुलिसांचेर अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर तेंचेर घालपाक, हे एक्टिविस्टांचेर घालतात. जे एक्टिविस्ट भाशणां करतात ते अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर जातात. आनी पुलीस हांगा एक एक्टिविस्टाक मारपाक, ताका मारपाचो प्रयत्न करतात, ताका जितो मारून उडोवपाचें षडयंत्र चलयतात. तांचेर एक्चुअली अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर लावपाक जाय. आनी हें कितें चल्लां? इट इज बॅड फॉर गोवा. गोंयच्या सरकारान खूब, काँग्रेस आसतना खूब आमी आंदोलनां पळयलीं, पूण खंयच रायट टू प्रोटेस्ट आमी हें करपाक गेले ना. वी हॅव प्रोटेक्टेड दॅट रायट of every citizen. And whether it's a Rani's government, whether it's our Louisian government, whether it's a Digambar Kamath government, सगळे गव्हर्मेंटांनी तो रायट, तो अधिकार सगळे गोंयच्या लोकांक दिल्लो आसा. म्हणून आयज गोंयचे लोक परत परत काँग्रेस सरकाराची तुलना ह्या जो दादागिरी सरकार आसा, डिक्टेटोरियल सरकार आसा, त्या सरकारा कडेन करतात. सो वी स्ट्रॉंगली कंडेम दिस act of this government, and we strongly demand with this government to direct police not to take law into their hand by encroaching into judiciary. Judiciaryची जी फंक्शन आसा ती ज्युडिशरी करूं न्ही, पनिशमेंट दिवपाचें काम हें पुलिसांचें न्ही. पुलिसांक अधिकार ना तांकां मारपाक, तांकां हात लावपाक, आनी असो मारप ज्या कारणान तेज्या आरोग्याचेर असो इफेक्ट जाता, लॉंग टर्म इम्पॅक्ट जातलो. आनी त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता, आनी गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस डिमांड करता की एक पॅनल ऑफ डॉक्टर्स बी इमिजिएटली अपॉइंटेड बाय द गोवा गव्हर्मेंट एंड लेट दे एक्झामिन शैलेंद्र वेलिंगकर about his health conditions, and that report should be made public. At the same time, there should be impartial probe into this entire incident, how the police access has taken place, who has given the right to the police to try to kill him. It was an attempt to murder. And government has to protect right to protest. हो आमचो फंडामेंटल जो रायट आसा, त्या सरकारान रायट टू प्रोटेस्ट हो प्रत्येक सिटीजनाचो प्रोटेक्ट करपाची गरज आसा. सध्या हो सरकार कोण चलयता, पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट कोण चलयता हें कोणाक खबर ना. एक कार्तिक कश्यप म्हणून एक ऑफिसर हाडलेलो गोंयांक विथ RSS बॅकग्रावंड, आनी तो सगळे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट पयलीं चलयतालो. DGPक सुद्दां हें नाशिल्लें, आनी ही वॉज बेसिकली यूज टू टार्गेट द ओपोनंट्स. नाव देर इज अ न्यू वर्जन ऑफ Karthik Kashyap is again posted to Goa, and he's become the super DGP in Goa within a short time. Their agenda is clear: use this police officer who has the backing of their bosses in Delhi and destroy everything. Today DGP power कांयच उरलेलें ना. DGP has been completely sidelined. This is what the police officers are talking openly. And this is a bad state of affairs. If the police department, DGP, he cannot even transfer one constable or police. The discipline kashi urtale, discipline kashi urtale. Don't use the police force. Don't try to terrorize the people who are protesting. So माझो दुसरो जो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साचो आयज मुद्दो आसा, हे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आम आदमीच्या पार्टीचेर जेणी एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतली बेस्ड ऑन माय वन इंटरव्यू. I don't know whether they saw what I said, whether they have clearly heard what I spoke. Actually, I could have clarified it and reacted to it immediately. I deliberately did not do this. We wanted them to react the way they have reacted, and we wanted this message to reach out to the nook and corner of Goa. So we don't wanted to disturb AAP's communication, what they have reacted and what their Delhi leaders also have reacted immediately. They immediately त्यांचे एक जे reaction झाले, it is a knee-jerk reaction, which we actually expected as per our plan. And 2 days, I don't wanted to disturb their communication, because that was our agenda. That message has to reach to Goa properly, and that is why I delayed my press conference by a day. आता आम आदमी पार्टीन एक स्टेटमेंट केलो आणि दे हॅव रिफ्यूज्ड द अलायन्स. नाव माझी जे स्टेटमेंट जो आशिल्लो इंटरव्यू, इट वॉज रेफरन्स टू अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट. आम आदमी म्हणटात खूब फावटी की तेणी एड्युकेशनाचेर खूब काम केलें, पूण तेणी फक्त ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह शिकल्यात, ते रेफरन्स टू कॉन्टेक्स्टाचे हें दिवपाक शिकलेत ना. सो म्हाजे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स, म्हाजे जो एक इंटरव्यू जो आशिल्लो, त्या इंटरव्यूक हांव आय एम व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट जे कॉन्टेक्स्टान आयले त्या कॉन्टेक्स्टान इट वॉज दॅट आय क्लियरली सेड इफ आप is having a clear intentions of defeating BJP, and if they take lead, then Congress will be open for talk. The intention, if their intention to defeat BJP, so there also I raise the doubt, if they have intention to defeat BJP, and if their signs are clear to defeat BJP, we are open for discussion. This was with reference to some context. So they twisted my entire interview in their advantage, and they immediately reacted, a knee-jerk reaction. Their Delhi leaders also reacted. I am very thankful to them. I am very much thankful to Manish Sisodia and also Rahul Mamre, because I think Manish Sisodia also arranged another interview where they said the Congress is over and nobody is going to vote for Congress. That means their stand is clear that people of Goa are voting for BJP. This is what they are trying to say. So once again, that is proved now that Aam Aadmi Party is the creation of RSS. We wanted to hear it again. We want to reconfirmation this again, because when we say it, people don't believe it. We wanted them to say this. We have intentional, and this my part of the interview. It was not a spontaneous reaction. I was very clear in my choice of words. It was well thought. It was going on for last almost 1.5 months, because many AAP volunteers, AAP supporters, AAP sympathizers, Congress well-wishers, and many individuals in Goa who basically don't want BJP to continue. ज्यांका BJP हरोवपाक जाय आशिल्ले अशे गोंयचे खुबशे लोकांचे हावीस आसा. लास्ट टायमूय आशिल्लो, आतांय आसा, की BJPक गोंयच्यान उडोवपाक जाय. त्या खातीर तुमी आम आदमी कडेन येवपाक जाय, आम आदमीन तुमी एक जावपाक जाय. आमी तांकां खूब सांगपाचे प्रयत्न केले, कन्विन्स करपाचे आमी खूब प्रयत्न केले की आम आदमी पार्टी ही गोंयांक जिखपाक येवना. आम आदमी पार्टीची इंटेन्शन क्लियर आसा की काँग्रेसची जितली मॅक्झिमम वोट्स आसा ती फोडप. तांकां हांगा सरकार करपाची बी कांय ना. तेंगेले जी आम आदमी पार्टी म्हणजेच RSSन एक क्रिएट केल्ली आसा ऑन देर लार्जर एजेंडा, दॅट इज काँग्रेस मुक्त भारत. सो आम आदमी पार्टी इज implementing Congress Mukt Bharat agenda of RSS, which is loud and clear. There is no doubt about it, but there were some doubts in the people of Goa. Delhi is for Aam Aadmi Party. In return, Aam Aadmi Party has to take away secular votes, anti-BJP votes, divide that votes, and help BJP to win all the states. In Delhi, Assembly, Aam Aadmi Party gets clear majority, Samke, full-fledged. Lok Sabha, entire Lok Sabha seats goes to BJP. See this, it's a clear line. It's crystal clear. So we were trying to tell this again and again. सो गोंयचो एक आवाज आमी सदांच म्हणटा की आमी गोंयच्या आवाजा कडेन आयकतात, गोंयकार कितें सांगता आयकतात आमी ती लायन ठरतात. आमी कितें करचें ते गोंय लोकांचो आवाज आयकून करतात. आमी परत परत सांगतात. मागीर प्रत्येक जर इंटरव्यू प्रत्येक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स केल्यार वी आर व्हेरी मच क्लियर. आमची जी दिशा आसा ती दिशा ठरयता आसतना आमी जे लोक सांगतात तेंच आमी करतात. सो लोकांचें म्हणणें जें आसा ताका मान दिवपाक जाय. लोकांचो सेंटिमेंट जो आसा गोंयकारांचो की एक जावपाय तुमी आम आदमी आनी काँग्रेस आनी BJPक हरोवपाक जाय. पूण जेन्ना आमी सांगत आशिल्ले तांकां तें खूब जाणांक कळनाशिल्लें. एकदां तांकां दिसता की आम आदमी पार्टी खऱ्यांनीच तांकां हें जातलें. पूण जर लास्ट इलेक्शन सगळी पळयली जाल्यार तेंची कितलो वोट शेअर आसा तो सगळ्यांक कळटा. वोट्स कशी घेतले आनी कशी काँग्रेसीची लुकसाण जालां हें पळयल्लें आसा आमी. जेन्ना देशांतले तज्ञ फुडारी इंटेलिजन्स आमी विद्वान जांकां म्हणटात जेंचे लोकांचो विश्वास आसा अण्णा हजारे मेड इट व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट ही वॉज युज्ड बाय आम आदमी पार्टी टू गेट द पावर. पूण तरी पूण लोकांचे थोड्यांक तकलेंक वचना. मयंक गांधी हांणी तर एक वेगळो बुकूच बरयला आनी ताणें क्लियरली सांगला हाव द आम आदमी पार्टी इज RSS. प्रशांत भुशणान तर सामकें क्लियर जो फावंडर तेंगेले आशिल्ले दोगूय दे हॅव मेड इट व्हेरी क्लियरली लावड अँड क्लियर दॅट आम आदमी पार्टी इज द पार्ट ऑफ RSS अँड दे आर वर्किंग एज पर द RSS एजेंडा. एल्विस वाज जो तेजो कन्व्हेनर आशिल्लो एल्विस गोम्स आणि प्रदीप पाडगांवकर जनरल सेक्रेटरी त्यांचे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सान जेणी पार्टी बिल्ड करपाक आपलो घाम भितर घातलेलो आसा. अँड टायम एंड अगेन आफ्टर दॅट दे हॅव सेड क्लियरली दॅट आम आदमी पार्टी वॉन्ट्स टू ओनली अटॅक काँग्रेस. दे वॉन्ट टू फिनिश ओनली काँग्रेस अँड इट इज द बी टीम ऑफ BJP. हें आमी सांगना. हें एल्विसान सांगलें, हें प्रदीपान सांगलें. त्यानंतर रॉडनी आल्मेदानी ही ऑल्सो मेड द थिंग्स व्हेरी क्लियर. पूण तरी आसतना जेन्ना इतले बुदवंत लोकांक 4 वर्सां 5 वर्सां कोणाक 6 वर्सां लागली समजोवपाक की हो हिडन एजेंडा कितें आसता, आमचे गोंयचे लोक त्या मनान सामके ते भावार्थी आनी तांकां हीच गोश्ट हांकां इतले विद्वान लोकांक समजपाक इतलो टायम लागलो तेन्ना आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक ती समजपाक आनी खूब टायम लागपाक शकतालो. सो आमी जे म्हाजे कडेन अप्रोच जाले तेंची नांवांय तुमकां लेटर ऑन थोडे प्रॉमिनंट आसा तितून. पूण खूब जाणांचो हो आवाज आमकां येवपाक लागलो की आम आदमी पार्टीन काँग्रेसी बरोबर येवचें. आमी तांकां टायम एंड अगेन वॉज विथ टेलिंग दॅट दे कॅनॉट कम बिकॉज दॅर एजेंडा इज फिक्स्ड दॅट दे हॅव टू स्प्लीट काँग्रेस वोट्स इन गोवा अँड दे हॅव टू गिव हेल्पिंग हँड टू BJP. अँड दे हॅव डन इट इन 2017. 2017 आमकां 17 सीट्स मेळ्ळे. 3 सीट्स हे आमी आम आदमी पार्टी खातीर आमचे लूज जाले. एकूच एक उदाहरण दिता, सगळें हितून वचना. संकल्प आमोणकर 133 मतांनी पडलो. आम आदमीची कॅन्डिडेटाक 200 मतां पडली. पणजी तेजे कितें जालें तें खबर आसा. ZP इलेक्शन गिरदोली आमचो कॅन्डिडेट 200 मतांनी 130 मतांनी पडलो आनीक आम आदमी कॅन्डिडेटान 200 मतां घेतली. कोलवा सेम पोजिशन. हांव बाकीचे डिटेल वचना. सो नाव when we have decided to rebuild our party, now our major hurdle was Aam Aadmi Party breaking 200 votes, 500 votes, 600 votes, maybe 2% or 3% in that. It makes a difference. So now it's a time that we are rebuilding to win the confidence of the people again. We have to clear our hurdles. and I was waiting for an opportunity. And हे हांवें आमचे जे कॉन्टॅक्टान आशिल्ले तांकां सांगलें की तुमकां जर आमी सांगता तें पटना तुमी आम आदमीच्या तोंडांतल्यान आयकयात. हांव एक सिग्नल दितां. हांवें जस्ट सिग्नल दिलो. हांवें खंयच म्हणूना की अलायन्स करपाक तुमी येयात म्हणून. पूण हांवें क्लॅरिफाय केलें ना. बिकॉज वी वॉन्टेड देम टू रिएक्ट लावडली एंड क्लियरली. तेंचे कडल्यान लोकांक कळोनी म्हणून की हे कशें BJPची बी टीम आणि कशी हे RSSचे क्रिएशन. So in that interview actually I have given a soft signal that we are open for discussion if your intentions are clear. त्यांनी ते ट्विस्ट करून they have done it the way they wanted and we expected them to react and they have done it as per our narratives which was set by us. And this we have discussed prior to doing this. We had discussed this particular issue. त्याच्यानंतर सिसोदिया सांगता की काँग्रेस काबार झाली and which is clear that they don't want to finish BJP. आणि त्याचबरोबर अतिशा म्हणटा ती गोंयांत येता आणि अतिशा गोंयांत येता आणि ती सगळ्या प्रॉमिनंट लिडर्सांक मेळटा इन्क्लुडिंग BJP. But she does not meet any Congress leaders. Here is one I'm just showing because I'm not going in detail with them because we know that what is, but we are not arrogant. This was the statement of the Bakazane reply, the new convener, Mamre. This is this statement of one of the newspaper. What is the heading? I'm just reading. Alliance seat sharing need of the hour to defeat BJP in Goa, Mamre. आणि ह्याच इंटरव्यूक तो सांगता की अतिशा yes she met all the leaders including BJP. He is admitting, I'm not saying. So except Congress, she is meeting everyone. Manish Sisodia, as I said, Congress is over in Goa. Fine. So message is very clear that they want to finish Congress, they want to destroy Congress, so that two parties will contest. Which two parties? RSS A team, RSS B team. Whoever wins is RSS government. So Congress is not in fray. So this is what is their intention. This is the national agenda. Congress मुक्त भारत. म्हणजे गोंयांत झगडटले कोण फायट कोण करतले मागीर काँग्रेस गेले जाल्यार RSS. सो एक पार्ट BJP आणि RSSचे दुसरी क्रिएशन आम आदमी पार्टी. सो हें गोंयकारांक क्लियरली कळपाक जाय आशिल्लें आणि वी आर वेरी मच थँकफूल टू देयर नॅशनल लिडरशीप, to their local leadership, that they themselves made it very loud and clear. Secondly, Congress वायट म्हणटात. दोघांनी रिएक्ट केलं काँग्रेस वायट. पण काँग्रेसीन सर्टिफिकेट दिलं म्हणून ते सेलिब्रेट करतात. इफ सम इन्स्टिट्यूशन इज बॅड, एकदम खंयची युनिव्हर्सिटी वायट आसा, ती सर्टिफिकेट कोण सेलिब्रेट करना न्ही, त्या सर्टिफिकेट व्हॅल्यूच ना. Other side you say Congress has given us a certificate that we are not B team of BJP. So that means again you are saying the Congress credibility is very high. I'm not claiming, you are saying. Now as I said that we want to rebuild the party, we are going back to the people, to the booth management, and so I think this was the best time to clear these hurdles and send a clear signal. I immediately got the phone calls from all those who are forcing me for an alliance with AAP. He said, you are right. Now we got the clear signal. So I am happy that all those well-wishers of Aam Aadmi Party, well-wishers of Congress, and all those who don't wanted BJP to be in power, now the signal is clearly gone to them, then not to waste a single vote, either 1%, 2%, or 3% votes, that is 200, 300, 500 votes on Aam Aadmi Party, because that will affect us. And what is the target? They are saying, no, we are here for a long term. They want to form government in 2027. That means this time also, 2022 also, you want to give it back to BJP because you want to form the government in 2027. That means you want to suffer Goans for another 6 years? Because you want to form government in 2027 at a cost of Goans? the Goans will never allow this RSS agenda to be fulfilled in Goa. And we are very much clear on this. As I said, last assembly seat elections, ZP elections, whatever the votes they have taken, it has damaged us. I just want to give a reference. Whenever somebody is talking about alliance should talk purely internal jata, party leader to leader. If I had to do anything of that sort, I would have not spoken to the media on the interview. In 2017, nobody in Goa knows, the media does not know. I had 5 meetings with Aam Aadmi Party, run up to the Lok Sabha elections. And the lead was taken by one Mr. Serafin Kota, I am naming him today. He's the Aam Aadmi Party founder, and he said is a need that we should come together so that Congress does not lose in Goa. And especially for the South Goa, their target was to defeat our South Goa seat. I had 5 rounds of meetings, but I never spoke to media about it. And there was discussion. We have requested them, तुम्ही कॅन्डिडेट आता घाल नाका मुखार पळोवया की लोकांचो सेंटिमेंट तो आसा. ते म्हणपाले हय, पूण तांकां दिल्ली साकून सिग्नल मेळनाशिल्लो बिकॉज आम आदमी पार्टी इज टोटली कंट्रोल बाय दिल्ली. दॅट इज क्लियर. काल 1 वरा भितर ते रिएक्शन दितात. म्हणजे आम आदमी पार्टीक वॉलंटियरांक कितें जाता तें विचारना तेणी. आम आदमी पार्टीचे जे कॅन्डिडेट्स आसात तांकां कितें जाय तें विचारना तेणी. तांकां दिल्लीचे कितें लिडरांक कितें जाय त्या प्रमाणे तांणी रिएक्शन दिलें. आम आदमीचे पार्टीचे व्हॉलंटियर्स ज्यांचे कॅन्डिडेट विल रिएक्ट इन फ्यू डेज. You'll come to know what they wanted. So in 2017, Elvis was the convener, and along with him, around 3-4 people, I had 5 rounds of meeting. And you know, later on, what signal they have sent to us? No, they said no. They were trying to give a proposal. They gave us a proposal which was not feasible. Ami accept karpana. They said, give us South Goa seat, and you take North Goa seat. That means आमची साऊथ गोवा सीट आमी सॅक्रिफायस करपाची शुअर सीट तांकां आनी नॉर्थ गोवा सीट आमी लडोवपाचें. म्हणजे कशें आसा जो जेणी मिटींग कन्वेन केल्ली आम आदमी पार्टीचेच लिडर्स तेय सांगपा लागले दीस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. साऊथ गोवा सीट इज अ काँग्रेस शुअर सीट. And their target, Delhi has given them target of taking 40,000 votes in South Goa. I am very much thankful to the people of South Goa. They realized. But still they got quite number of votes. Otherwise our South Goa seat would have been also in danger. So this is very clear, and we have to be very clear. This I just gave a reference because which I never brought in public domain. But this time I brought it public domain before talking to them, just to expose them. Just to expose the true colors of Aam Aadmi Party before the people of Goa, because now we are going for election. And we don't want to do it last minute. The last minute केल्यार तें कोणाक कळना. So as far as concern, आमी जे लोकांचे आयकतात, लोकां खातीर करतात, लोक सांगता ते डायरेक्शन एक्सेप्ट करतात. So I have done my job very loudly and very clearly in a very transparent manner, that remaining open as per the wishes of the people of Goa, and exposing Aam Aadmi Party in their own way, not somebody saying that this is a B team. They have claimed, reclaimed and certified that it is the RSS creation, and they are working on the Congress Mukt Bharat. So now the message is clear to our supporters, Aam Aadmi Party supporters, and all the anti-BJP people who want to throw this BJP out. So please don't waste your vote. They are not to create any more confusion. Now I think the stand is very much clear. There cannot be any even talks with Aam Aadmi Party. So there is no confusion as far as Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress is concerned. There should not be any confusion in the mind of people that Congress is lacking any stand. And as far as what Aam Aadmi Party is also there, they are also very, very clear about the same. And finally, I just want to appeal all those who left Aam Aadmi Party, all those well-wishers of Aam Aadmi Party. Now, if you have intentions, I'm also giving the signal to, if their intentions are clear to defeat BJP, please come and join Congress Party. including their former convener, all the general secretaries, whoever was there, whoever has contributed, whoever want to change the dynamics of Goa, want to change the politics of Goa, please come and join Congress. Let's defeat BJP. Yeah, so I'm open for your any.
Can you just clarify your stand once again? I'm not talking about AAP India, I'm talking about all parties. Alliance or no alliance?
See, today I'm come with one message, and that message I want to send very clearly, loudly, without any confusion, without any doubt. My earlier, our in charge, Dr. Dinesh Gundaraoji, has made his stand very clear. Any alliance on anything is concerned, it is generally Delhi who will take the call based on our inputs. He came down, he made a statement very clearly. So anything is there, he will come and clarify this stand. As far as Aam Aadmi's this thing was there, I had taken his permission because it was a part of our strategy to expose Aam Aadmi Party. So I'm sticking to only that particular point. So when he comes, you can definitely put this question before him.
Basically what you're saying, on one hand you're saying that AAP takes orders from Delhi, and now you're telling us that again Congress's orders will come from Delhi.
I said based on our inputs. I was very clear.
No,
Based.
you very clearly said
Yes,
that orders
yeah.
will come from Delhi
Yes.
to Congress.
No, I said our in charge, Dinesh Gundaraoji, after speaking to everyone, has taken one stand. He has declared one stand. Now, when he speaks a stand, whatever stand I, as a party president, I had to express it to him. Then it will be a consultative decision. If any things has to be changed, in what decision he has given, that I cannot say. Now, as far as making this working unitedly, that Delhi is not monitoring us every day, like orders, giving out certain orders. I'm talking about those orders. Yes.
Suppose Aam Aadmi Party leaders like suppose this one Gomes joins your party, will you give them tickets?
Giving tickets and no tickets, we never assure anybody who is joining the Congress right now. So we have number of people who have joined. We have now never promised ticket to anybody, and there was not a precondition for anybody to join the party. If the intentions are clear that if you want to defeat the BJP, then please join Congress, because Congress is the only party which cannot compromise with RSS ideology, which cannot compromise with BJP. It's our national enemy. All others is open before him.
गिरीश भाऊ, तुमचे म्हणणं पण अशें आसा की काँग्रेस पार्टी आज वीक जाल्या, कारण तुम्ही म्हणता नवी पार्टी जी आम आदमी पार्टी आसा ते येता आणि काँग्रेसीची मतां फोडटा, पण काँग्रेसी कडेन आज बीजेपीची मतां फोडूंक जायना. म्हळ्यार तुम्ही कितें म्हणूंक सोदता की काँग्रेस सध्या वीक जाल्या?
तू जिल्हा पंचायतीच्या इलेक्शनाच्या रिझल्टाचेर, ज्या इलेक्शनाक nearly only 15% people have voted for BJP of the entire population. If you have made a study, if you have studied the result of Jilla Panchayat, half of Goa has voted, those who are eligible to vote, minus your urban cities. So that overall the votes पळयली तुमी, the BJP has got only 15% of the votes of Goa. So with 15% of votes, you can't say that Congress has become weak. If you make the assessment of assembly, if you convert those ZP votes into assembly, you will find number of assembly seats where Congress is leading, including Banauli. Banauli, although we have not won a single seat, but if you put assembly as a segment, we are the highest there. Kunkoli, if you go, Congress is the highest. If you go to Nue, Congress is highest. If you go to Kurtori, Congress is highest. If you go to Santandre, Congress is highest. If you go to Santa Cruz, Congress is highest. These are votes called there. So don't think that just because of ZP elections, which was completely manipulated, and BJP has not defeated us. It is a Jindal whose coal projects are there. You know how they pumped in their all vitamins just to show that people are not opposing coal. But 15% cannot give a decision.
You said that this whole statement that you made on this channel was to bait up, to get them to react. And you also mentioned that you discussed this with, I don't know, party leaders, functionaries, before you made that statement. It was a carefully thought out. Whom did you discuss this with?
That I cannot discuss with you.
Okay, I'll tell
So,
you why
but-
I'm asking. Because your party office bearer, both your districts, I'm not saying who, say they were never informed about this.
Yeah,
Secondly,
Yeah, I agree with you.
on the
It
same
was
day-
not discussed at the office bearer level.
Okay.
Okay.
At the same day, your opposition leader spoke about an alliance. Was he also baiting somebody, or was he?
But I don't think he has made any statement on any alliance.
He has made in Margao?
He has not made any statement on alliance. You can ask him, but I don't think he has made any statement on alliance.
He has made on municipality elections.
He might have spoken about some adjustment or something. I'm not very sure. You can please check with him.
Girish Babu, Sardin said that this is too early to speak about the alliance. And he said that only just prior to 6 months to election, one should think about alliance. Oh, what is your reaction on this?
Yes, he's right. He's very much right. So first we have to strengthen our party in all the 40 constituencies. The rebuilding process is very simple. We all our office bearers has to spend time only in booths. The entire energy lies on the booths. The Congress party is no more a mass-based party because we were working that the Congress is mass-based. We have to make our party a cadre base. And that is why we have to build a cadre. And that was the one reason that we are taking interest in local body elections, which we were ignoring earlier. So local body elections only create the leaders. The second line leaders builds the cadres.
I want to ask you one thing regarding those who have deserted. If you want to rebuild the party, those who have deserted the party, are there any efforts to bring them back to Congress?
If you analyze the ZP election results in those constituencies where these people have left, the people have sent very clear signal. They have defeated their candidates. That assembly segments, if right from, except you say Kankon, I will not say because Kankon, all the BJP leaders got united. You see Kepe, Deputy Chief Minister's constituency. If you see his overall votes in his constituency, panchayat wise, he has reduced. Then comes to another minister, Philip Neri in Veli. His candidate is lost. Our candidate won there. Then if you come to Nue, where our MLA left, Wilfred Disa. Then Kumkoli, we have won that assembly seat by the votes, in terms of votes. Then you come to Santandre, we got secured highest votes as far as the Santandre constituency is concerned. Come to Santa Cruz, we have won that seat and the votes are also, we have got. So the signal is very clear that the second line leadership, the substitute, the alternate candidates are already in the place and people have opted our candidate despite those who have gone away have put up their candidates. अरे तुम्ही बीजेपीक आसा तुम्ही इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट घातले लोकांक पिच करपाक सोदताले इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट घालून लोकांक पिच करपाक सोदताले पूण गोंयचे लोक इतलो पिसना गोंयच्या लोकांनी तांकां रिजेक्ट केले आनी ते परत घेवपाचे ना वी आर व्हेरी मच क्लियर दोज हू हॅव गॉन 10 no chance of taking them back. Delhi is also very clear. Our local leaders are also very, very
To
clear.
bring Elvis and Padgaonkar, are there any efforts?
I don't know exactly, but they may be in talks. Some party workers may be talking to, because many party office bearers feels that it is high time that all those forces should be united to come under Congress shelter.
What I heard that some
So काँग्रेसी अंडर येयले जाल्यार कितें जाता एक काँग्रेस युनायटेड फोर्स जाता आनी काँग्रेस फोर्स जर जालो जाल्यार वी कॅन इजिली डिफीट बीजेपी.
गिरीश बाब, पुढे जे इलेक्शन येवपाचें आसा त्या इलेक्शना खातीर फक्त रुलिंग पार्टीचे प्रोटेस्ट करचे शिवाय काँग्रेसीचे आज कितें काम करता?
आमी तुमकां तेंच सांगलां की आमचे जो एजेंडा आसा ऑलरेडी म्हाका दिसता तूं आनी कितें आयकतालो घडये की हांवें सेम सांगलां की आमकां वी हॅव टू गो टू द बुथ्स So all our office bearers now target is there to visit and be in the booths. The booth is only our target and booths where the energy lies.
हे केन्नाच्यान चालू जातलें?
Almost we have started it. I am also moving. I have already visited Sange, where the municipal elections are going to happen. Kurchare, Kepe. Today I was in Penne. Now I will be going to Vasco. Likewise, our CLP leader also had a meeting with Mapsa. He has meeting with Bichole and Valpoi. So we have almost started the working and given the target to our local blocks that they have to be on the booths, and which are accountability also we are establishing.
Do you feel that is there any chances of mistempo?
In this BJP's government, you cannot rule out anything because you cannot straightly go on their statements. On Zilla Panchayat elections, they try to manipulate the elections. Panchayat minister said Zilla Panchayat's elections will be in January, and then suddenly the election commission declares it. So how to trust them? So you cannot go on their statements. We have learned one thing, that this government cannot be trusted. They can do anything, they can do anytime.
BJP ज्या 33 ते तुमचे 10 जण वचोंक नासले जाल्यार त्यांनी निवडून हाडलेले म्हणजे तुमचे कितले आसलेले खरे?
See, with a low percentage, because our voters did not come out to vote.
निवडून येयले ते म्हणटा 33 जण तुमचे
हांव तेच सांगता न्ही, with low voting, percentage of voting, and our voters did not come out. आमचे voter भायर सरले ना. So it is difficult to make any assessment with very low voting.
कित्याक दोग जाण राणेचे आशीर्वाद घेवपाक मागीर गेले बीजेपीचे
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Supreme Court.